Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1952 GMC 3100 pickup. This is a 5-window pickup. Real desirable 5-window. Everybody seems to really love these 5 windows. This truck has some custom features, as you can see already by walking around. It's got a louvered tailgate as well as a louvered hood. Kind of matches the factory louvers, the air vent louvers on the side. Really cute little truck. New chrome grille, new bumpers, new headlight bezels and lights, new emblems, sitting on a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. 17s in the front, 18s in the rear. It's got the chains for the bed. It's got a wooden bed in it. It's got the rear mounted fuel tank with the access fuel door there in the bed. LED tail lights. Little antenna on the side. All new glass in the truck. It's all lightly tinted. Inside the cab, the seat is all reupholstered. It's like the seat's out of like a 92 to 94 Chevy pickup. Sits really comfortable. Wooden steering wheel, tilt steering column. New door panels, armrests, window cranks. Truck has power steering, power brakes, has disc brakes on the front. Got a little chip there, a little rub here too. Nice little truck. Like I say, small block 350 turbo automatic transmission. It's got the upgraded LED headlights as well. Aluminum radiator, your AC compressor, your power steering, power brakes. Also has a Holley Sniper EFI system on it. Chrome tilt steering column. I already told you it's tilt, but it is chrome, as you can see. Has a retro radio in it. White face dolphin gauges with LED background lights. GMC embroidered into the seat. When you start this truck, let the Sniper system boot up, let the fuel pump kick off. Hit the key, it starts right up. Stereo works. Cold-blooded this morning. I get that way sometimes too. Wipers work. Left turn, right turn. She's cold-blooded there. I'll get her out. I'll shut her off. I'll get her out there on the road, and we will get out and do a walk around when it gets a little bit more warmed up. Show you the lights, tail lights, turn signal. Just a cute little truck. Runs and drives very well. Gonna price this truck at $49,900. I think that's a great price for this little pickup. Could never ever think about building it for that. I know a lot of people price these trucks $59,000, $69,000, $79,000. You know, we buy them right, so we're gonna sell it right. Paint's very nice in the truck, a few little imperfections. You can see it's got a little scuff right here. Jams interior under the hood, very, very nice, very presentable. You might see a bug or two on it. I see that while I'm walking around. I drove this truck the other day down the road. It was getting dark, so the bugs were really out. And those headlights are super bright at night, so you can feel comfortable driving at night, being able to see. Pretty little truck here. Like you say, 52 GMC. You see a lot of Chevys, you don't see near as many GMCs. And the 5 windows are hard to find as well. That hood shut, this door shut. There we go. Let's take her for a spin. Shut that. Shut that radio or that headlights off, the signal's off there. Dash is painted up like a dark metallic gray. We gotta get I see the horn is not working, we'll get that fixed. Your wheels sit way too close to the fenders, and if you don't do them right, you put them on a different chassis or not the right chassis, and that's what happens. Truck brakes good. Holley Sniper system reset, so it seems like it's idling better the longer it runs. So a couple little things I noticed, like I say, the horn is not working and the speedometer is not working right now, so we'll have to get those two things addressed. It was working the other day because it had 86 miles on it when I unloaded it, and now it's got 90, so I don't know if pressure, temperature gauge works, fuel gauge, voltage gauge. And you can do a lot of adjusting with that Holley Sniper system. You can download a different tune, different files for it. Goes right down the road. Nice little truck. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call on this 1951, I guess. I kept saying 52. It says 51 GMC 3100 pickup. I was thinking I grabbed the paperwork the other day and it said 52, but the thing says 51, so we'll go with that. Kinion Classic Cars, again, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. We'd really appreciate that. I hope you all have a great day, great afternoon, great weekend. Spend some time with your family and friends, and we'll be back at you here on Monday. So talk to you guys soon.